In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a ChatGPT conversation link. This is great when you want to quickly show someone a full exchange, keep a record of an answer, or share context with a team without taking screenshots. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, explain where everything is, and share a few simple tips so you feel confident the first time you do it. Start by opening the conversation you want to share from the sidebar. When you're in ChatGPT on a desktop, the sidebar is on the left and lists your recent chats by title. Click the one you want so it loads in the main window. You'll know it's open when you can see the full thread, including your messages and ChatGPT's replies. If you're on a smaller screen or mobile, the sidebar might be tucked behind a menu icon. Once you reveal it, select the conversation from there. Take a quick moment to confirm it's the exact chat you intend to share, since the link you create will point to this specific conversation. With that conversation open, look to the top right of the chat window for the share icon, which typically looks like an upward arrow. If you don't immediately see it, you should also find a three-dot menu in that same top corner. Clicking the share icon will take you straight to the sharing option, while the three-dot menu reveals additional actions, one of which leads to sharing. Interfaces can vary slightly, so the icon or menu label might look a bit different, but both are found in that top right area of the chat. Now click Create Link. This generates a shareable link for the conversation you have opened. In most cases, you'll see confirmation on screen that the link has been created, and you'll be able to use it wherever you need to share context, whether that's in a project doc, a message to a colleague, or a support ticket. Keep in mind that anyone with the link can view the content included in that conversation, so make sure the thread doesn't contain private or sensitive details before you create the link. The link represents the conversation as it exists at the time you create it, giving others the same view you're seeing. That's all there is to it. Open the conversation from the sidebar, click the share icon or the three-dot menu, and then click Create Link. Thanks for watching, and enjoy sharing your ChatGPT conversations with clarity and ease.